Hello, Sarah, One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing here again, and welcome back to the next video in our Google Ads checklist for e-commerce series of videos. Today we're talking about or asking whether you are making regular bid adjustments based on audiences. Now in checklist videos, where have we got here, 31, 32 and 33, we talked about adding these audiences to your search and shopping campaigns. So hopefully you have audiences added to your search and shopping campaigns, sort of layered over, but just adding them isn't enough. What you need to be doing on a regular basis is going through, looking at the data and seeing if any of these audiences, now they could be remarketing audiences, custom intent audiences, in-market audiences, and looking to see whether any of these audiences perform particularly well or particularly poorly, and then make bid adjustments on those audiences to improve your overall performance. So I'll quickly jump in and show you where to go to find the data for this. So basically you need to go to the reports section up here, predefined reports and basic, and then down here you'll see we have audience. So this is one that I've pulled up, I've already pulled up ready. What I recommend you add in this report is the campaign type, so that you can, if you click this little arrow here, you'll see a filter option, so that you can filter and just show audiences for search and shopping. Because obviously if you have display campaigns, those you'll be adjusting display bids for display campaigns differently, because you're targeting those audiences. You're not just looking to see how they behave layered over another campaign. So you don't really need to see those, and it'll just make things a little easier to just see your search and shopping. You could possibly do them one at a time if you wanted to. So you can apply that filter, and then obviously you'll need to add conversion data to this report. So I've added here conversions, cost per conversion and conversion rate. You might want to add your conversion value over cost, which is your return on ad spend metric. And to sort, so I've sorted by the number of conversions, because obviously if the more conversions we've got on a particular audience, the more likely it is that we're able to see some kind of trend. If you again click this little arrow, you can sort high to low or low to high. So I've sorted high to low. And then what you're looking for is a particular an audience which maybe has a particularly high or low conversion rate, or cost per conversion, or return on ad spend metric. And as you can see, we do already have some bid adjustments in for these. So once you have seen if there are any audiences on any particular campaigns that you would like to make adjustments for, all you need to do is to go into that particular campaign, and then on the menu on the left you'll see, down the vertical menu on the left, you'll see audiences. You can click in there and it will allow you to make the bid adjustments in the dashboard. And hopefully you will then start to see improvements in your results overall by making these adjustments for different audiences that are layered over your search and shopping campaigns. So I hope that's helpful, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or any comments. You can also download the checklist below the video as well if you'd like to have the whole checklist as a PDF. You can like and share the video, obviously. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.